Ouch, that really hurt. Ow! Ah!
Hey, hey. Okay, we've arrived at our destination. Show them, where are we on the map?
World of birds.
All right, well, let's have a stroll. Where do we have to go for?
I can't pronounce it. Mixed aviaries, cassowaries, and diarrheas. Diarrheas.
Diarrheas. Awesome. Wow!
Oh, that's pretty pigeons.
Oh my god, I always wanted to come to a place to come and look at chickens. Oh, look at that little ugly fucker. Sorry,
He will be
I didn't mean that.
soon.
Oh. Over here we see the male peacock trying to impress the lady. But over on the other side, we see another young gentleman trying to impress the lady from a distance.
He wants to impress the lady.
Who's gonna win? Over here we have emu. We're gonna try and communicate with it. I'm fluent in emu. Let's try that again.
He's probably talking his mom or something.
And over here we have someone like trying to sneak a peek. Hey, you creep. Trying to sneak a peek through here, huh? No, not me, sir, not me. Oh, no. That pheasant's chill. It's the very pleasant pheasant. We have just found the king of the peacocks. No, that's the king. Oh my lord! Break it down for me. Okay, so we're strolling through the wonderful magic forest for kitties, and there's like all these things on the ground and stuff. Like if you have a look over here, you'll see there's like some kittens, got some mythical dragons and stuff. And the kids can come and have a little jawl over here, come play. And then we come across something a little disturbing, and I don't know how I feel about this, but how is that? How is that normal in this place?
I think this tree is cursed.
I think we have to get out of here very quick. So, Bobby, what do you wanna have to eat later? Never mind. I'll let them decide.
Hello.
How's it? How's it? You're quite interesting, eh? Got a nice face there for a bird.
Look.
Oh!
Oh, it's super soft. Yes, yes. The fingers
touch your finger. Aww.
very soft.
Little man, human hands. What have you got there? Oh, we're being attacked.
Oh my god, I can't believe it.
We're being attacked.
That's not really happening.
That's what happens if you don't wash your hair often enough. Get some monkeys in your head. This is all fun and games until a monkey poops on you.
They're trying to find food in my nest.
Oh, that's awesome. Please don't poop on me, sir. Hey, Poopy, what's your favorite type of pasta, huh? Penguini. What do we have over here? Oh! Hello. Sorry, didn't mean to disturb. Hey. Oh, jeez.
Stop it!
I want it. I want to get out of here. Go other side. Go other side. Alright, so that was World of Birds. How did you enjoy that?
Lots of adventure.
Yeah, that was
Nice.
awesome.
Yeah,
I haven't
like
been
it a
here
lot.
in so many years. And yeah, very impressed. Looks very nice in there.
Yeah, I enjoyed it.
I got in a little fight with some weird pheasant.
Attacking
And
feet.
started trouble with my girlfriend, so obviously I needed to step in, but of course I won. You know, I'm not stuck in a cage anymore, so that's good. Okay, where are we now?
Hout Bay Market. Okay, that's all good.
Cool, we are now at the Hout Bay Market. We're gonna have a little look, see what's going on here.